Welcome to the channel. Today we will try to create a table in Blender. So to begin with, we can use the default cube. So what we can do is we can scale it. Let me turn on the hotkeys so that you can follow. Okay. So select the cube and then go to scale. Now we can resize this like this. Okay, now go to the top view and we can resize along the horizontal direction. Also in the Y direction also we can resize it. Okay, this looks fine for now. Then select it and go to Edit tab. Now we can use the loop cut. So when it turns yellow, you can left click here. Then press Ctrl B, and then we can create this shape now that you can see. Then we can add another loop cut now along the horizontal. Click here, and then what we can do is press Ctrl B again and then create another face like this one. Okay, so this looks fine. So the idea what we did is go to face, and we are trying to extrude these 4 edges so that they can be used as the legs of the table. So select each 4 faces of these smaller pieces, then press extrude E, and then let's give it some length like this. Okay, this looks decent for now. Okay, so another thing we can do is we can add some kind of drawer around here. So to do that, let's go back to the vertex selection, and then let's go to the loop cut again. Okay, let's put it here in the middle. Now Ctrl B again, and then let's resize it. Okay, another one we can add here also. Okay, now go to the face part, and let's extrude these parts like this. I think this is good. Alright, so again we can add some details if you want. Okay, I'll do this one, and then another one we can do this on the horizontal direction. Ctrl B, and then okay. Now let's go to the face mode, and then you can extrude this further out like this so that it looks some kind of simple, some kind of drawer shape. Okay, looks like we are done with the modeling, and the result looks decent. It's a simple table. It's a fast way of modeling a table with its own drawer. Okay, now the modeling part is done. We can add texture if you want. Let's go to materials. For this part I will use Blender Kit add-on, which is available for free There are some paid versions also, but I'll put the link of this Blender Kit add-on down below in the description section. You can find the link. So to add a texture for this, we can use like I said before, the Blender Kit add-on. So we can search the material that we want. For instance, search for wood. So here you can see various materials, so you can choose whichever seems to fit your project. So I'll try something different. Okay, so yeah, so there are various options. Okay, I think maybe I'll leave it at this one. Okay, so this looks okay. We can also add some HDRI image here. So I'll just use this one. So it's transparent. Okay. Or maybe I'll use something different. Okay, maybe this one. Yeah, you can just experiment with it. So this is basically one simple way of doing, fast way of doing a table. You can exercise with this. And yeah, so basically this is one method. So if you like the tips and the tutorials, please make sure to like and subscribe the channel. Next time I'll see you with another Blender tutorial video. Thank you for watching.